Hello everyone, we got this 2015 Ford Edge with the 2.0 all-wheel drive, and I want to show you how to service your front PTU and your rear differential. Okay, for the front PTU you're gonna need a roughly around half a quart of 75W140, and at the rear you're gonna need around, I would say around a quart and a half of 80W90 differential fluid. Okay, so this process from both sides, so the process for both sides is drain and fill back up. So it's pretty simple. So let me show you what you need down in the front, and then I'll show you what you need in the rear. All right, so we go down here, and then you're gonna have your front PTU right there. Okay, and you're gonna have your turbo pipe down here, and what you need to do is you need to remove it, because to access the fill plug, the pipe, this pipe is gonna be on your way. Okay, so what you need to do is remove it from here. That's a 7. You got a 10 right here, another 10 right here, and then you got this clamp here, this cable here, and then right up top, not sure if you can really see it, but right about there you're gonna have the other 7, and this entire thing is gonna come down, and then you're gonna be able to access the fill plug, which is right there. Okay, I have this socket, the Torx T50 on it already, and there's no way to remove it without removing this pipe. Okay, so that's a Torx T50, and the drain plug is also a Torx T50 that goes right here. Okay, it goes right there. All right, so once the fluid stops, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove this pipe, and then go to the fill plug, remove it, and start filling up the 75W140 fluid with, you know, one of those cheap, you know, fluid pumps that you can buy anywhere, and that's about it. Once it starts draining, spilling over the plug, we're gonna close it back in there, and that'll be the end of it. Okay, we're gonna put everything back on. Now we're gonna move back to the rear differential, which is the same thing, drain and fill. Okay, that one takes 80W90 fluid, about 1.5 quarts. Okay, full transmission service. This style is the drain and fill. You know, there's no filter unless you extensively remove the transmission, open it up, and remove the actual filter that's integrated inside, which most people won't do. Anyways, so very simple. You need 2 things. So go under your car, you're gonna have your drain plug here is a 11. Okay, 11 mil. Then on the back and to the side by the CV axle, right about there, you're gonna have a Torx T55 plug. Okay, so you're gonna need to remove that one. Just use an extension, reach it from the side. First thing you want to do is remove your plug, the drain plug. Okay, now we're gonna have all the transmission fluid come out. Okay, it's usually very, very dirty, so as long as you don't have any, you know, metal shavings and all that glitter, you know you have a healthy transmission. This transmission is not giving us any issues at all. It's just simply maintenance. So once you remove this 11 mil plug right around here, there's a Torx T55 plug on the side of the transmission. You can reach it and remove it from the side. Just use some extensions and remove it. Okay, it's right around there. Once we remove that, then you can put your drain plug back in there, and then we can fill our transmission back up with fluid. It takes around 4.5 quarts, you know, give or take. And then you're gonna turn on the engine and then let it warm up, and then whenever the fluid starts dripping, then you know it's gonna be on its correct level. Okay, it should. Remove it from the side with some extensions, and then that's gonna be the plug that shows you whenever your fluid is on its right level. You need to have your engine on for a couple minutes. I would say 10 minutes for the fluid to warm up, and then you're going to pour in around 4.5 quarts. Whenever that hole starts dripping, that's when you know you have the correct level. Okay, if it's not dripping, add more fluid. If it starts dripping, that's when you know you have the right amount. And that should be it for your transmission. Okay, from the top, from up here, you're gonna have that plug right there. Okay, that plug, just pop it up, and then you can put a funnel in there and put your fluid in through there. Okay, the newer models, the 18, 19 models, even the 20 models, they have the plug further back there, and they require you to remove the air box, but not this particular model. Same thing for escapes, for fusion, so you name it. Okay, so other than that, just please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.